Look like you're having fun. Da, da, da. Debbie, look like you're having so much fun. Sarah, look like you're having a lot of fun.
Oh wait, you were taking a picture.
I'm taking a video.
Thanks a lot. I look like awesome.
Amanda, look like you're having fun.
Like.
Okay, take 2, Debbie. La la la. We're having so much fun because we have brand names.
We have brand names.
Oh, because of Sun Chips. I'm doing it. Did you ever see the Mr. Bean's Vacation or whatever? And when he videotapes, he's like,
Does that make him dizzy?
and Colonel Mustard.
Colonel Sanders, I thought. Yeah, not Colonel Mustard. What are you talking about?
Look happy. I'm not going to be in any of these video clips because I'm taking all of them.
Here, I'll take one of you. Here, just